Hi guys, good morning! So right tayo ngayon. So nagtataka kayo ba't di ako naka-helmet. Right, punta muna ako sa meet up namin nila Kuya Sam kasi may gusto kaya ako sa kanila. Pupunta dun sa talagang meet up ng mga siklista. Ayan guys, so gamit ko ang LAMEDA cycling jersey. Ang cute, diba? So time check 5:15. Late na ako, dapat 5:50 nandun ako sa Majilis dun sa meet up. Ayan guys, lamig. Mamaya suot ko yung mga sleeves ko kasi nagmamadali na ako. Tara! Woohoo! So, Group B tayo guys. So, mga 32 to 35 km/h. Ang Group A kasi, parang 37. Hindi natin kaya kasi 200 kilometers. So, let's go. So, this is the Tropic Cancer ride wherein we will ride 200 kilometers back and forth here in Al Ain City, Abu Dhabi. And of course, we are using the LAMEDA cycling kit. Yan, we are using this because it's winter time. With my newest cycling kit, LAMEDA, it is committed for sustainability and performance of the cyclist. So there's always all kinds of cycling jersey, bike shorts, bib shorts, and even cycling accessories. So you can check on my description box below if you want to purchase one. LAMEDA jerseys was founded in 2009 and their company's headquarters is in Xizang, China, and they provide customers with high quality products of jersey and different cycling apparel. And right now, I'm using the Comic Rider edition. So there is a lot of edition in LAMEDA. There's also the Fantasus, even environmental series, or even minimalist. So they have short and long bib apparel that you can use in different kind of weather, even summer or winter. Back to the group guys, so this community cycling ride is composed of Group A and Group B, sponsored by Abu Dhabi Cycling Club. So I'm here in Group B, and Group A consists of 35 to 37 km/h speed. And of course here in Group B, we are consists of 32 to 33 km/h speed ride, but depends also on the wind direction. And yes guys, this is our group together with other cyclists. From 0 to 100 kilometers, it is headwind to crosswind ride. But thankfully, we are in group so we can hide easily from the wind. Ayun o, tirador ng ano. Tirador ng tingin ko.
Sir, lalagyan ko na ng pangalan ng itong buhay ko. Hindi mo, may plastic o. Tama, pink ka, diba? Pag-lalagyan mo ng ano.
Thank you, Abu Dhabi Cyclist. May pamilianda sila. So, kami ang Group B, kumalas sa Group A.
Ang mga napagod.
Mga napagod. Pagod. Pero may headwind, sure.
Hindi inubos ng first group ang hangin. Tinirahan kami.
Yun.
Madaya sila.
Yun. Shout out sa aking jersey LAMEDA cycling. So nice, di ba? LAMEDA cycling. So as a community, this ride is composed of different nationalities such as Emiratis or locals, South Africans, Korean, and Filipinos, and different more. So this is also supported by Abu Dhabi Police and with emergency responder teams for easy accessibilities in case of emergency. That 98 kilometer to LA. Sura, Sura. Picture, picture. Oh no. Ito na yung pinuntahan namin guys. Tropic of Still, Pampala kasi may 100 kilometers pa tayo. Come on, let's go. Shout out sa LAMEDA na gamit ko jersey ngayon. LAMEDA.
everyone اللي ما يتصور ما بنسحبه الحق ورانا
101 kilometers. So, yung pinuntahan namin.
A sheer coincidence.
Kaya yung bag, isasakay namin sa van. Chat ka na muna. Sige, sige. Doon na lang sa hintuan, anak.
Sira? Ano
Hindi,
sira?
okay na. Chinag na. Wala naman.
Wala nang ano. Nakakainis. Gusto ko pang grades.
Ganyan ako last year. Dito rin
Dito
ako.
rin?
But, pinangga din ako. Yung gustong-gusto ko pa, pero di ko na ito.
Sa club.
It's okay, brother. You can close.
Nakakainis naman!
Yung bike mo, okay na. Dahil sa bata?
Yung bata, parang nag-wiggle, nag-ano siya sa gilid mo. Hindi naman ano na. Yes, thankfully, I don't have any difficulty moving my upper and lower extremity. And with this is my worst fall ever with bike crash. And I know it was an accident, but still I was frustrated because I cannot continue the ride anymore and will not finish 200 kilometers, which is supposed to be my goal for this day.
Wala naman siguro akong fracture. Lord, may pasok pa ako bukas. Sakit. Ay, mataas to. Wala naman ate. Wala naman meron pa dyan. Meron pa po. Meron pa siya. Ano? Okay na.
Tapos, wag nang igos na ate.
Hindi na, hindi na. Kasi pag ganito, kailangan dry siya. Sa ano, sunod mo?
Tirong lang.
Wala naman.
Dito lang. Buti na lang yung katawan ko yung unang nag-ano.
Diyan na natin. Siguro.
Hindi na na-control yung bata. Wala na dito. Yung ulo ko ate. Saan ba nagkama?
Hindi, dito lang. Feeling ko sa helmet mo yun.
Sa gilid dito. Wala.
Wala na. Actually, dito siya.
Helmet ang
Hawakan ko na sige. Paano ba?
ayos na.
Grabe yung nights, gano'n.
Yan, may police. Cycle zone! Tuloy ang ligaya. We will go riding 30 kilometers even if we are
Even if we are injured here, and then we have abrasion here. My bike is okay. Shout out Simon Jones! Abu Dhabi!
Okay.
Yeah. Hi Crash! Ride 30 kilometers. Let's go! Hi guys! So we're done with the ride and yun na nga. Bale, naka ako 140 or 150 kilometers ako. Tapos yung iba hindi ko na na-ride kasi di ba nga sumend lang ako. Pero nakapag-ride pa rin. Para kahit pa paano ma-ensayo. And yun mga karanda, shoutout nga pala sa LAMEDA na cycling jersey na gamit ko today. And of course, you can link on my description box below if you want to purchase one. It's nice in quality and also the design. Maganda siya. Pwede mong pagbilan even different characters. Yung ginamit yung sa akin is rabbit. So, yan guys. And also, yun. Lesson learned today is dapat maging be safe na kung alam mo na naglalaro yung mga nasa gilid mo or nasa harap mo is pumalikod na lang. Parang lumayo sa kanila. Kasi talagang grabe yung semplang kanina. And yun, dami kong abrasion sa right eye. Pero, ayun naman, baka hindi lang kaya mailakad bukas. So, yun mga kanila. And yun lang. So, let's go and have a good ride!